Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious chocolate treats without needing any special molds. First, gently melt your chosen chocolate, whether it's chips or a bar, using a double boiler or microwave. Stir it until it's completely smooth and free of any lumps. This ensures a perfect base for your homemade confections, ready for the next step. Now, let's get creative with shaping. You can spread the melted chocolate thinly onto parchment paper to create elegant chocolate bark or delicate shards. Alternatively, pipe small designs or letters directly onto the paper for unique, personalized pieces. For more defined shapes, spread the chocolate, chill it slightly, then use cookie cutters of any size. Once shaped, it's time to set your chocolate. Place your creations in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes or until they are completely firm. This quick chill helps them solidify beautifully. Before the chocolate fully sets, you can add fun toppings like chopped nuts, dried fruit, or colorful sprinkles for extra flavor and visual appeal. For a professional touch, consider tempering your chocolate. This gives it a beautiful shine and a satisfying snap. Don't be afraid to experiment with flavors, adding a few drops of peppermint extract or a pinch of chili powder. Store your finished chocolate in an airtight container in a cool, dry place for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.